Hello, everyone. Welcome back to SAT Math Question of the Day with Professor Brothers Chaiken, University of Albany, and Joel. I'm Seth's brother. We're here to hopefully show you how to approach SAT math questions and also how to study for the SAT. One nice way to study for the SAT is to get yourself a SAT account with the College Board, and then sign up for free Khan Academy practice questions. The SAT post 2016 is made up of about 20 math topics. This is one of them, key features of graphs. And Khan Academy has partnered with the SAT to give you 20 questions per topic. We are at the 11th question. Because we're at question 1. They give you 20 questions. We're at the 11th. We're at the third level, which means the 11th question. So I strongly encourage you to get the sign up for this and start doing practice questions. Without any further ado, let's get going on this one. Please read it, do it, pause video, come back, and let's do it. Key features of graphs. Okay, speed per mile, mileage, miles per gallon. Did we? We didn't do this one. No,
not this one. No.
Okay. The graph at the left in the SM plane. Approximates the average. I like the word approximates. We got to be careful of that. Approximates the average mileage M in miles per gallon that this person's pickup truck gets when she drives at a speed of S miles per hour. What is the best interpretation? Emphasis on the word best in these problems, and not the best interpretation of the maximum point on the graph. Ooh, look at that. Well, that's 55. That gets you the
No, it isn't. It's 18.
No, over here.
The maximum point is the S coordinate is 55.
Right.
And the M coordinate is 18.
I'm more interested in the S coordinate.
Well, I'm more interested in the question.
Seth always has the clever answer. As always has the clever response. I love it.
Yeah.
Okay. Denise. I'm going to say just Denise, okay? Denise's truck gets a maximum of 18 miles per gallon. Maybe.
Sure,
Denise's
like
truck gets a maximum of 55 miles per gallon. Well, that's ridiculous. That's ridiculous. No, it's not ridiculous if you have dyslexia. It's not ridiculous if you have dyslexia. Denise's truck.
This is the speed, not...
Right, yeah. You got to be careful of that. Units do the walking on that one. Units tell
This is the speed, not the mileage.
Right. I know.
Here is the mileage.
I know.
The question's asking about the mileage.
Okay. Denise's truck can travel at a maximum of 18 miles an hour. Okay, well, that looks a lot like C. Denise's truck can try... Wow, Wait, Denise's truck can travel at a maximum speed of... No, that's ridiculous. That's not a best interpretation.
No.
Maximum point.
Well, what they did was they took two quantities. Maximum mileage, maximum speed, maximum mileage, and then they combined them with the two numbers.
Wait. This is also
what they did was give you four possibilities.
But the units are wrong here.
I know, but look at this. The thing is, what you have to watch out for in math is that you must not merely look at the numbers without thinking about what they mean.
Yeah,
okay?
I fell into
So
that
they
mistake.
gave four combinations of concepts and numbers. Something the chat box would try, right?
I don't know,
but only one of them makes sense in terms of what the graph says.
Right. Wow. Did you notice that when I read C,
and then the second two refer to the maximum speed There's nothing in the problem that indicates what the maximum speed of the pickup truck is.
Right.
See, it's going off the edge. Who knows what's over here?
Right.
She went 80 miles. She went 80 miles per hour and got a fuel economy of 13 miles per gallon. Who knows? She might have even gone 90.
But Seth, but they're saying
Maybe maybe the maximum speed of the truck is you never know what it is. It doesn't say, but it's irrelevant to the question. The point is, the question is the question. You identify, you find the first answer that is factually consistent with everything in the question, and that first answer is A.
No, but wait. If you have these problems, you have to read every answer, because there may be the better and there may be the best.
Yeah.
You have to read everyone. Now, I can't believe that I even considered C. What was I thinking? I fell into a trap. I said 18 miles per gallon. I saw the 18 miles per gallon. I said, maybe go back to the video. No, my God, look at that. Well, that was really bad. So at least I narrowed it down to A and C, and then I looked at C and said, are you kidding me? So he really...
Yes, they're kidding you.
No. So really, usually problems like this, I mean, all you have to do is just look at the units. The units are the problem, and you realize that this just doesn't make sense. Speed, 18 miles a gallon, 18 miles per hour. Oh, that does make sense. Maximum speed of 18 miles per hour. Yeah, but the 18 is miles per gallon. Oh my God, yeah.
Yeah.
Right. She can drive at a maximum speed. See, this is not supported by the maximum point on the graph. Right? So, yeah, exactly. That's the Seth was saying. Seth was talking about over here. But the thing is, this was not supported by the maximum point on the graph. Right. So, yeah, what a pain in the problem, right? Annoying little problem, isn't it?
It's an annoying little problem.
It really is an annoying problem.
Yes, it is an annoying problem.
Yeah, so I think what they're doing really is doing what
they're annoying everybody,
especially you. But it does bring up something Seth makes a big point about with numbers, because he's dealt with a lot of numbers in his life. You have to know what the number means. You can't just have a number. They're sort of playing with you, aren't they? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I know. Pretty well. Should we see how they
yeah, let's see how they explain it.
Yeah. My God, look at that one. A maximum mileage of 55 miles per gallon. That's completely nonsensical. Okay, well. Okay, so here we go. So you're right.
I don't even like the word mileage. Mileage. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
It's really fuel efficiency.
That's why
measured in miles per gallon.
That's why
what you get divided by what you pay for.
Didn't we do a fuel efficiency problem in the past?
We did, yeah. Not this one.
Okay, not this one. Okay.
Yeah.
Better memory than I do. Okay, let's see. Let's do it. Well, it's a very short answer, at least. We know that S represents speed in miles per hour, and M represents that. Okay, fine. When Denise drives 50 miles an hour pickup truck, she gets 80 miles a gallon. Since the maximum is in the M dimension, since the maximum is in the M dimension, she has reached her maximum mileage. Clearly, Denise has not reached her maximum speed at this point, as she continues to have information on her graph. So what do you think of the answer?
Yeah.
I mean, if you don't like the question, you're probably not going to like the answer.
Yeah.
How I describe it. Yes, it is a really annoying problem. Okay, so we better go before we both blow.
Yeah.
Okay?
Uh-huh.
Let's leave well enough alone on this one.
Well, they should give her a ticket. She actually drove that stupid truck at 80 miles per hour.
And for enough time to get a fuel efficiency reading.
Yeah.
Right? Because if you hit 80 for maybe 3 seconds, you're not going to have enough time to figure out what your miles per gallon is.
And she what was the minimum speed of the truck? She had to get off in the parking space, right? The minimum speed shown in the diagram is 30 miles per hour.
Right.
Does that mean that her truck could not go at a speed less than 30
Seth,
miles per hour?
You're just being a pain. You know what that means.
It accelerates instantly when it's parked. It's parked. She revs up the engine, revs it up, and then pops to the clutch and boom, 30 miles per hour.
Seth, you're being silly. You're being silly.
Instantaneous.
Seth, you're being silly. That just means that they haven't made measurements at speeds lower than that. That's all.
Yeah, that's right. So it's impossible to get information about the maximum speed from the graph at all. But they said it's not the maximum speed because there are speeds in the graph that are greater than 55.
Right. Okay.
Right.
Right.
Well, the same answer would be, I don't know. The same answer would the same answer be if they didn't show the measurements for speeds over 55? What is the maximum mileage shown in the graph?
I'm not following you at all.
Yeah. Maybe it's a magic truck. When you go over, maybe the graph continues like this.
It's possible. But come on. You have to be reasonable. Come on, you have to use some common sense. I know that this problem hasn't put you in a good mood, but you have to use some common sense. But this could also be propaganda. Because if this was in the 70s, Seth and I basically grew up in the 70s. And, there was a fuel shortages, and they had the national speed limit was 55 miles an hour. It drove the people in Idaho completely insane because the people out west love to travel more than 55 miles an hour. And there was this national speed limit of 55 miles an hour claiming that was the speed that you get the best fuel efficiency. So this could be a little bit of propaganda too, right? Because showing that there's a reason why there's 55. I don't know. I don't know enough about the science, whether it really is 55. But go back to the newsreels to the 70s, and you'll see there was a national speed limit of 55 miles an hour across the entire United States. Okay, a little bit of history there. Okay, so I guess that's it, Seth. This is going to be a strange week for both of us. There's some issues going on. I have jury duty, so I don't know when we're going to meet this week. So we'll meet when we meet. Okay, that's the way it'll go. Okay, have a great day, everyone. Continue with Khan Academy. It's the best practice you can get for the SAT. And we'll see you next time we meet. Take care. And then, of course, like us, dislike us, give us comments on the YouTube video, and, of course, send us SAT math questions at satmathquestionoftheday@gmail.com. Take care, everyone. Bye.